in English.
Yes, please. Most welcome.
In the modern Islamic states,
yes,
that seem to be practicing Sharia. There seem to be problems everywhere that Sharia is practiced. Right. If we take the example of Africa, for example, in Sudan, there was an uproar when Sharia was implemented.
Correct.
I want to know whether it is the fact that it is the Sharia that has become outmoded or it has lived its usefulness to the Muslim community, or it is the fact that the community itself has failed in its implementation of the Sharia.
You see, there are two problems, not just one. I mean, it's not a question of as simple an alternative as you have suggested. There are other problems as well. What is Sharia? That is the question. Sharia is understood by Fiqh Jafriya, or Sharia is understood by Maududi, or Sharia is understood by Wahhabis, or by Malikis, by this and by that. What is Sharia? So Sharia, if it is the word of God, then the word of God is insplittable. It must remain one. So which word of God will become a law in any Muslim country? This is the question. And the second question is, who will rule under the name of Sharia? Where will democracy go then? Can they simultaneously live and share power somehow? And they simply cannot. There are so many questions, hordes of questions. And if you are really interested to understand the problem in depth, I suggest that you listen to my address in Suriname, where a forum of Christians, Hindus and other religious people from all walks and all countries have made a club in which they discuss international issues and invite visitors to address them. They invited me to address them on the question of Sharia, its implementation, possibilities, pros and cons, difficulties in the way, and so on and so forth. So that, after that address, questions were also asked. So instead of me repeating for 2 hours what I said there in 5 minutes, you better spare 2 hours yourself and get the cassette, listen to it, and I'm quite certain, inshallah, that by the end that the cassette is finished, you will also be satisfied. Okay. All right?
Yeah.
Jazakumullah.